Good evening, DevOps engineers. How are you? I thought let's share with you something very important. So as you can see, sorry for the bad writing. Right? Let's say you have a Java applications, right? Let's say if you're using GitHub, GitLab, that's fine. And to build the Java application, we need a tool called Maven, so that it can build your Java applications. And then once the build part is done, they need Docker to Dockerize those your build artifacts, and then you deploy your Docker images into the, let's say you're running in a Kubernetes cluster. So assume that if my client doesn't want to use Docker, they don't want to use it, but still they want the build artifact to be done, and they want to create a Docker image using a Maven tool only, So what should I do now? In the pom.xml, right, if you see, I have defined the build plugins. Here the plugin group ID, and this is the artifact ID. If you can see, that name of that plugin is called Jib. This is the plugin that you have to use in the pom.xml to Dockerize your images, right? So once you are done with the Dockerizing those images, then you have to push it into your, let's say if you're using ECR, so here it is, you have to type the configuration to, and this is the image container registry address, like AWS account ID, ECR.region, Amazon, AWS.com, your ECR repo and all those. If you want to authenticate yourself, then type the auth here, and then your credentials, and of course password should be stored as a secret. So this is the way, this is called Jib plugin, where you can Dockerize your images, your Java application, right, without using the Docker, right? So yeah, I thought let's share with you. And the next thing is,